Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to tell you about how you can create a free app by using these platforms which I am going to tell you today now. The first website we have been here is about Appy.io. You can create if I'm gonna scroll up now, it will take some time. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of features we have been here for making the apps, like button pickers, radios. You can see there is also being a video which shows us how it's gonna be look like, and how you can create. So no need of code for this, no need of Android Studio for this, no need of anything for this. And if you are going to be scroll down now, what you need to have, or just like what you have to do now, while if you want to create the free apps, just only choose a template, drag and drop, publish in stores. Very simple. If I'm going to be more scroll down, well, it will take some time because and if I'm going to scroll down again now, and you can see this, guys, how you can create the app. It look like this exactly. You can see this is gonna be the container side. If I'm gonna be say that this is gonna be the card side, just pick up the card and drop right here in this container, and if you need any other card, just click here, and this is gonna be the text area, and this is gonna be the just like drawer. If I'm gonna see drawer method, so this is how you can create a free app by using this website. Like this is also being an option like native app builder, native mates. If I'm gonna be, you can say that a app must be an hybrid app now, run on both OS, just like iOS and Android on mobiles. And if I'm gonna be going to another website, and that is called it takes some time. If I'm gonna be another website, it's called Appy.com. Also being a free website to create a free apps, and there is no need of code while developing all this kind of stuff. And the third one is we have been also, it's a very famous and popular website to create the apps. You can see this, guys, there are a lot of features in this website. We have pricing, reselling, contact us, app maker. You can see app maker we have been many options like radio app builder, business app builders, we have been shopping apps, we have been restaurants app, and etc. and etc. After that, you can see there have been many certificates while these website have for creating everything. You just have to click right here, get started, and you can create your app by just only also being drag and drop. Then I'm going to another website, is called Appeaso. This is also being a very famous and popular website to creating the apps. And this is all this website we can create the games as well. Now you can say we have been game maker options as well. So if I'm going to scroll down, you can see the samples which they have been shown in this website. So after this, more scroll down, what kind of features we have been here, you can see a lot of things we can make. You try to follow everything just like this. So these are the websites we can create the free apps without developing, or just like without adding any code. We don't need of any kind of code while developing an apps, or or Play Store or just like Google Store or just like App Store. So I think it's gonna be the bestest platforms if you need any kind of free apps with and do not paying anything to any other developer. You can use this website to create the apps and uploaded it and making money by if you have any accounts, any kind of accounts right now for uploading the apps now. Thank you very much guys. If you really like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon.